Welcome to your 5-minute guide to ChatGPT. In this video, we'll dive into the world of this revolutionary AI chatbot, explore its applications and limitations, and discuss its impact on our lives. So, let's get started. Imagine Sarah, a small business owner who's trying to juggle multiple tasks, from sales and marketing to customer support and content creation. She's overwhelmed and needs a solution that can handle all these tasks efficiently while keeping her costs low. Enter ChatGPT, the game-changing AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. This natural language processing model uses a neural network architecture to generate intelligent responses to a wide array of questions and tasks. Unlike its predecessors, ChatGPT can think on its own, offering creative and versatile solutions to problems like the ones Sarah faces. Applications of ChatGPT. With ChatGPT, Sarah can generate persuasive sales pitches and tailor them to her target audience with ease, create effective marketing strategies, SEO-optimized content, and compelling ad copies, receive assistance with code proofreading, bug fixing, and sample code structures in various programming languages, craft full-length blog posts, social media updates, and more with impressive speed and accuracy. Draft personalized customer service emails and responses, adapting tone and style to different situations. The limitations: is ChatGPT perfect? No. It has some limitations that include outdated information. ChatGPT's knowledge cuts off at 2021, so it may not be aware of more recent events or developments. Context understanding. While impressive, its understanding of context can sometimes be limited. Accuracy. The AI model is constantly learning, so some answers may be less accurate than others. Future implications. Despite its limitations, ChatGPT holds immense potential for the future of AI. It could pave the way for fully automated divisions in organizations or serve as the ultimate digital assistant. As technology advances, ChatGPT could revolutionize productivity in every sector, saving time and resources for businesses like Sarah's. Interacting with ChatGPT. Wondering how to get started with ChatGPT? It's as simple as providing the AI with prompts, and it will generate responses based on the context you provide. You can even fine-tune its responses by asking for changes or clarifications. The more specific your prompts, the better the results you'll get from ChatGPT, AI ethics, and responsible use. As we embrace the power of AI, it's essential to use ChatGPT responsibly. OpenAI has implemented safety measures and guidelines to reduce the risk of misuse. However, it's up to us, the users, to ensure that we use ChatGPT ethically and responsibly, respecting the privacy and integrity of others. The road ahead. While ChatGPT is undoubtedly a game-changer, it's important to acknowledge that it's still a work in progress. OpenAI continues to develop and refine the AI, addressing its limitations and enhancing its capabilities. We can expect future iterations to become even more powerful and versatile, opening up new possibilities and applications. Final thoughts and wrap-up. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a groundbreaking AI chatbot with the potential to revolutionize various aspects of our personal and professional lives. As we watch it evolve and improve, it's crucial to stay informed, engage in meaningful conversations, and ensure that we harness its power for the greater good. ChatGPT is a revolutionary AI chatbot developed by OpenAI, leveraging natural language processing and neural networks to generate intelligent responses to a wide array of questions and tasks. From sales and marketing to programming and content creation, ChatGPT has the potential to streamline productivity across industries. Despite current limitations, such as outdated information and limited context understanding, the future of ChatGPT is bright. As technology advances, we can expect it to become even more powerful and versatile, transforming the way we work, interact, and harness AI to shape our personal and professional lives. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover the world of ChatGPT. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more on cutting-edge technologies and trends.